Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. For those that are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Today I'm super excited to share how to do a little Christmas project that you can put on your front porch. One of my girlfriends, she was just looking online and she saw these cute boxes. They are wooden boxes and they were $100. And if that's something that you just want to purchase, you don't really want to do a project, I will put the link in the description box below so you can purchase it. But if you want a weekend project that you can do with a friend or family member, I think this is a cute project. You really do not need any like major cutting equipment, and I'll share exactly what we did to cut our time down and make it a really fun and not so intense project as some DIYs can be. So let's go ahead and dive right into it and show you the steps. All right, let me not complicate things. So the first thing you want to do is get your wood cut down to size. All you need to do is go to your local hardware store. I went to Lowe's and I had someone there that worked there to cut down one sheet of plywood. It was 4 feet by 8 feet long. They just took that piece of wood and cut it down to the size that I needed. I wanted to make a 10-inch box, a 13-inch box, and a 15-inch box. There's no rhyme or reason why I decided to do these 3 sizes. You can do whatever size you want. I thought that I just wanted a box that was, you know, a small one, a medium-sized one, and a larger one, so you can see the variation in height. So you could do it whatever way you want. To save some time, money, and wood, I decided not to do the base of the box. Now that you have all of your wood pieces cut, it's time to put it together. Let's work on the 10-inch box, connecting all 4 sides together. But first, let's sand down the edges. We're using a piece of 220 grit sandpaper to do this. Next, I'm going to place wood glue on the sides and attach them together with a nail gun. Round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Okay, now that the sides are up, it's time to make the top of the box. The piece that goes on top is slightly bigger than the other pieces. I decided to make a lip on the sides by adding wood trim. These are scrap pieces that I'm using. They are about a 1/2 inch thick. 2 of the trim pieces will be the same width as the sides. And the other 2 pieces will be slightly bigger to cover the thickness of the trim we placed on there earlier. The next step is to paint the boxes. I decided to paint it black. I let the paint dry overnight. Let's decorate the boxes. I first started by wrapping ribbon around 2 sides of each box. To hold the ribbon down, I used my stapler. I eventually ran out of staples and used my hot glue gun instead. Next, add a large bow on top of one of the boxes. To spice it up a bit, I added 2 decorative picks on the side of the ribbon. Now let's add some glitter berries. Look at how it turned out. Once I added it to the porch, I thought maybe I should add a reindeer. Oh, it's so cute. I hope the information that I shared today was helpful and inspired you to create your own. You can make it any color of your choosing. You don't have to do it the color that I do. You know I love black. If you have been following me for a long time, black is my favorite color. But you can absolutely do it any color of your choosing, and you can make it whatever size that you would like. Just be as creative as you would like. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below. And I hope you have a wonderful week. All right, take care. Bye. I just thought of something. You could actually use these boxes to store or hide away packages, or you can use them as seeds. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, try watching this one.